Oui, flat dams. Today I will make a very short sun flyby because the sun is in the clouds, as you can see. But sometimes we will see some Sonnenstrahlen, sun rails. I think that's the right name. Maybe here we can get the sun a little bit. No, not very much. And please jump over to the Flat Fingers with Santos Bonacci channel. There will come a very cool and sad film later. That's very important to know. Oh, maybe here is the sun. I will go over to Timelaps and we will see us when the weather is better. Ciao, flat dams, flat fingers, enjoy.